So, hello English learners. Every day we are talking about one special topic, and this is called extempore. Okay, so there is a one activity which is happening in the corporate or in college or schools. You will be given one topic, and you have to speak on that topic for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 4 minutes. It depends on the time. Okay, what they are going to give. So I have here 10 to 15 topics, which every day we are talking about all these topics. I talk the importance of teamwork, then I talk the power of positive thinking, and today we are going to talk about the influence of music on mood. Okay, so let's start. You have been given one topic, like the influence of music on mood. You have to describe on 3 minutes. Okay, let's start. Okay, so thank you. Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about this topic, the influence of music on the mood. So, if I talk about the music, so it play a vital role in our life, because most of the people, like if they are going to feel stress in the life, so what we are going to do, we are going to choose one music and we are going to relax our mind with that music. Okay, because if we are going to feel any type of distress in our life, there are lots of distress we can get in relationship, we can get in corporate, we can get in any type of stress. So we feel bad, very bad in our life. So what there is a one choice which we can choose. This is music. Like, you have to just select the music which is going to relax your body, your mind, and everything. So this is called, and there is one concept also, the music therapy. Yes, because what they are doing here, they are giving the music therapy. Uh, Through the music, they are going to relax your mind, your body, and everything. This is called music therapy. Okay, so music play a vital role to relax the human mind, to human brain, and it also helps in well-being. Okay, because most of the people like to just put the music, and they are doing their work through the music, and they are feeling good, then they are relaxing their stress. And someone is very stressed, so he's going to listen the music. There are lots of music which like relaxation music or sleeping music, or there are lots of sounds also. Like, you can choose the rain sound, you can choose the birds sounds, you can choose the mountain sound. So multiple sounds are there, which is more comfortable for you. You can choose that sound. Okay, so music is very amazing thing. Like, yes, because why everyone is listening to music, why they are not listening any something else? Because in music there are connections which we connect our emotions. Okay, and we feel relaxed if we are going to listen any type of music. Okay, so music are very good for our human health, for human well-being, for mental health. So there is a lots of impact on of music in our life. So I just let me conclude my all the topic which I talk today. The role of music on the mood, like the influence of music on mood, how music influence our mood. So it influences, like we are getting lots of relaxation. If we are tired, we are going to get the relax with the music, with the help of music. So thanks for today. Thank you.